important. It's reaching that stage. But yes, it uplifts your spirits. And there's an old saying, nothing succeeds like success. The amount of satisfaction you get from it is immense. Of course, I prayed that you should win. That was because you are my pride. But for me, it's important that you could reach that stage also. Out of your busy schedules, I know you all have to work so hard. Medicine is not an easy cup of tea. You have to really work hard. And in spite of that, reaching that stage, once you had to compete with 26 or 28?
26 teams.
26 teams. So that was a big thing. Javed Saab would keep me updated. They've reached the semi-finals, they've reached the quarter, and every day there would be inputs from him. And it was a very proud moment for me that you could balance your academics with sports. And as Professor Iqbal Saab rightly said, and Musfar Saab, it's that sports gives you scientifically also, it relaxes you, like all the stress wanes off. All of us work under stressful conditions, duty stress, academic stress, and so on. So it really uplifts your mood, and you should continue it. And I would give the credit. I've joined recently only as principal, so credit goes to the sports team. Played a pivotal role. I know how much he has put his, in spite of him being a very busy pediatrician, he is busy in his hospital, busy in his practice. In spite of that, he has put his heart and soul in the sports committee. And every year, I have attended some of the functions where it's a lot of passion in it. And that's amazing. So I would say a big round of applause. Won the game was immense. So they were so thrilled, and it was as if they had like their child had won the game. So they were so out of concern for all of you. The concern that they showed was immense. So they are the people who have been behind the scenes into all this. So congratulations to each one of you, and I hope that we win in other tournaments.
Very much. Thank you.